Why are you slowing down? Oh, is that traffic? Brake lines, red lights, hold hands.
Welcome to my Get Ready With Me. It is a random weekday, and I'm about to go out. Well, not random. It's Thursday. My friend is having she invited me to a Black in Tech holiday gala. And I am in between clients right now, and I am getting ready to go. I have 2 more clients for the day, but I decided to put on my wig now because then that would save me time later getting ready. Okay, so we're just about to put the wig on. Hopefully we'll have a makeup, hair, and outfit video. Right now, my dress isn't even here. It's ordered. It's in the mail. It's supposed to be delivered today. It says first this morning it said between 11 and 3. Now it's between 12 and 4:15. The gala starts at 6, so let's hope it gets here. Let's hope it gets here and let's hope it fits.
Let's get you fixed up with all the fixings. It's so around the corner, I know the distance, but what makes a difference?
All right, so that's as good as that's gonna get. Not really too worried about the underside, but now I'm just gonna put some makeup on it. We're gonna do a fake bald cap, okay? The last time I put my wig on, it was probably the best time I ever did it. And so hopefully I can get those same results in a quarter of the time. My thing is nothing ever covers my sideburns. I feel like they come down too far. But it's gonna be okay today because I am going to have some like tendrils on the side. Today's the first time I'm ever going to try doing an updo with a frontal. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see if it actually works. Whew. We're going to get it to be as close to an updo as possible. How about that? How about that? So what I realized is that wigs look good when what do you have to do? You gotta get them all laid down. That's when they look the best. So we're gonna zoom in. I'm gonna see, because I'm using Yall as a mirror. I'm gonna see if we can get this laid down good. Okay? Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, so I really like the lace touch-up glue from Wig Dealer. So I'm going to use that first, and then I'm going to put the spray on the actual lace. I think that'll work well. So the issue for me is that this piece always comes up. And I feel like if that piece laid down better, I would have a better chance of this being unclockable, you know? But I can't get it to. So I feel like I just need to take the frontal off of this completely and then do it over. I probably could just cut some of it, you know, because this is a double frontal. So this part still looks crazy. I don't know why the hair always gets caught in it, and then when I try to pick the hair up, then the lace comes up. So if anybody has any tips, just let me know. Tell me, okay? Because I be struggling, especially right here, and that's the part that needs to be, you know. The look I'm going for today is 90s hot girl. So we're gonna have a really heavy bang in the front, and then the back is gonna be updo, tendrils on the sides, and tendrils in the back. So something like this, but with curls. So I'll be back because it's like 2:10 now. I have a 2:30 appointment, and then I will come back at 4:30 to start getting ready. Oh man, it's gonna take, the hardest part is gonna be the hair. So I think I should start with the hair first. Hair, pin it up, put it in curls, and that's it. All right, so I will be back later. Okay, I got some good news. My dress was delivered. Now we just gotta hope it fits. I'm hot because I was running up and down steps. But I'm about to start curling my hair because my 2:30 can't no-showed. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. So, we'll see. Anyway, I'm about to start curling and pin curling.
It's so around the corner, I know the distance, but what makes a difference? Tell me all the little things. I know that you really like the chicken with the saucy wings. And you in your bossy face, backseat driving. No one else on mine, give me all your mileage. And when I get you home, I'll put your ass on the island. Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight. Play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you? Without we? Breakdowns, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play face, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. We're trying to drive through without you, without me, sweet tea. Trying to drive through, yeah.
Hey y'all, so here we go. Hair's curled. I hope it's still curly. I mean, I'm probably gonna have to put some extra something in it, or maybe not. I don't know. But we're gonna try and do this updo now, at least part of it. I'm gonna look at the front of this hair. Child, I don't know. Y'all let me know if you have any information on how to see, because now I got all of this gunk here. When I pull that up, and pull up the wig. Okay, so the issue is that the back is not secured, and I have to brush this. I don't know how to secure the back and brush it at the same time. Let's see. The comb is in there. Let's see. How can I do this? I need these to be taken care of. All these in like this. All right. Okay. So now we're going to take the front, this front right here. I might have to curl this over. Yes, now is the time to do this, because if I do this now, then I can just focus on my makeup. Hopefully I can finish my hair by 5, makeup and dress by 6:15, and then get out. We'll see. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush the whole thing up and then take my tendrils and stuff out. Give me a second. I don't think I can do this on camera. I need to be standing up in a mirror doing it, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And I have a janky ponytail right now, but it's okay because I'm gonna fix it. Where there's a will, there's a Duana. Okay, so I'm just gonna pin this down in the back somewhere.
Why are you slowing down? Oh, is it traffic? Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you? Without we? Breakdowns, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Trying to drive through without you, without me, sweet tea. Burning rubber, smooth tread on my car tires. All talk, got your spark tie. Butterflies in my stomach, putting out this hot fire. Love sick, a couple wild things I'm in love with. Just right, the subject, our song, complaining in public.
So it's gonna be something like this, but you know, nice. Yeah, something like that. So, all right. So what I'm gonna do now is, since it's like, it is what it is at this moment. At this point, I'm going to go and start my makeup. I'll bring with y'all with me to start my makeup, and then we'll come back and fix this hair. Okay. Okay, y'all. The lighting is terrible. I apologize. I just have on my ring light. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 6 o'clock.
I set your alarm for 6 p.m.
So the thing starts at 6, but I want to be finished my makeup by 6 and then dressed. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I still gotta finish my hair. More. So let's see if I can finish my makeup by 5:45. It's not gonna be. It's not too much. I'm just doing a siren eye, and that's it. So hopefully we can get this done very quickly.
Why are you slowing down? Oh, so traffic? Brake lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you, without we? Brake lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Trying to drive through without you, without me, sweet tea. Burning rubber, smooth tread on my car tires. All talk, got your spark tie. Butterflies in my stomach, putting out this hot fire. Love sick, a couple wild things I'm in love with. Just right, the subject, our song, complaining in public. Humming, I beat the drum quick. Last bite, know your ass, know the clap like it's a part and effort. I come direct, I'm clear, calm, concise. I'm not calm on the mics. Brake lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights. Your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you, without we? Brake lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights. Your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. I'm trying to drive through without you, without dollar menu. I'm filling up the tank, packing venues. You'll be the one I thank for. No cheap cards or perfume. I heard you. I know your stomach hurts too. Let's get you fixed up with all the fixings. It's so around the corner. I know the distance, but what makes a difference? Tell me all the little things. I know that you really like the chicken with the saucy wings. And you in your bossy face, backseat driving. No one else on mine. Give me all your mileage, and when I get you home, I'll put your ass on the island. Wildin'. Brake lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights. Your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you, without we? Brake lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights. Your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. I'm trying to drive through without you, without me, sweet tea. Trying to drive through, yeah.
So while I'm putting on highlighter, most of the face is done. I'll come back and do my lips, but I'm going to finish up my hair now and put on my dress, and then we should be out of here. What time is it? It's not 6 o'clock yet. It's 5:54. Oh, okay, so I'm doing good. We should be out of here shortly. All right, we're done with that now. So let me go fix my hair because I'm pretty sure it looks crazy in the back. So I'm dressed. The boob part is too small, but what's new? Welcome to my life. I'm just gonna do my lips real quick, and put my shoes on, and we are out of here. Oh my gosh, and the wig is sliding back already.
Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you? Without we. Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Trying to drive through without you, without dollar menu. I'm filling up the 10-pack in venues. You'll be the one I thank for. No cheat card to purchase.
Yes, girl. This is what. Yeah. All right, so I will take pictures and show y'all my outfit because you know I don't know how to do that whole camera thing. Plus the lighting in my house is terrible. Once I figure out how to do it, we're gonna do it. We're gonna have the whole thing. But like, even the hair looks good. I'm gonna show y'all the back real quick. The back is a little questionable, but the rest of it is fine. So hopefully we'll keep them occupied by just looking at the front. Yeah. All right. So I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you can become part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Why are you slowing down? Oh, is it traffic? Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you? Without we. Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. I'm trying to drive through without you, without me, sweet tea. Burning rubber, smooth tread on my car tires. All talk, got your spark tie. Butterflies in my stomach, putting out this hot fire. Love sick, a couple wild things I'm in love with. Just right, a subject, our song, complaining in public. Humming, I beat the drum quick. Last bite, know your ass, know the clap like it's a plotting effort. I come direct, I'm clear, calm, concise. I'm not calm on the mics. Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight. Play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you? Without we. Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight. Play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. I'm trying to drive through without you, without dollar menu. I'm filling up the 10-pack in venues. You'll be the one I thank for. No cheat card to perfume. I heard you. I know your stomach hurts you. Let's get your fix done.
Girl, too much bourbon.
Around the corner, I know the distance, but what makes a difference? Tell me all the little things. I know that you really like the chicken with the saucy wings, and you in your bossy face, backseat driving. No one else on mine. Give me all your mileage, and when I get you home, I'll put your ass on the island. Wild. Break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight. Play fights, your lips still taste like McD sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit?